And then, grabe yung mga resort dito, like international resorts. Alam mo yung wala na kami ini-expect dito sa Vietnam. As in, wala kaming in-expect when it comes to service, when it comes to the place. Pero mas maganda pa rin siya kaysa Pinas. Grabe yung mga hotels, walang high-rise. I mean, dito sa Hoi An and then latter part ng Da Nang. Pero ang gaganda lang, no? I mean, ang ganda ng ginawa nila dito sa area na to. Ang lawak ng daan, walang traffic. Maayos yung pagkakagawa. Ang ganda. We are now here in Da Nang, and then we are staying in Voco Mabel, and then just a quick room tour. So here is the bathroom. Okay, so that's the bathroom. Yan siya, very straightforward. This is the shower room, and then dito yung toilet area. No? And then here, you can place your luggage here, and then mini bar, and then the usual naman na yung naka-set up. Pero this is, parang ano to, parang complimentary to. Yeah. And then, ang binigay sa amin is corner room. So, merong full mirror dito. King bed, lounge or sofa, and then here is the view. Balcony area. There. Super pretty view. Super pretty. There. So this is our hotel's view. Since nasa corner siya, so dalawa yung view. Isa dito, which is beach view. Tapos, dito sa corner, yan, beach view siya. So, yung half ng room namin, yan siya.
And strawberries.
Binigyan kami ng cake ng hotel, as well as letters, fruits. Katulad sa,
Letter from the director of rooms.
Katulad sa hotel namin sa Hoi An. Yan siya. Grabe, ang ganda. This is the gym's view.
Kids Club's view.
Yeah, Kids Club's view. Tapos sa kabila, like, dito lang talaga is the gym. Grabe. Grabe the view. Grabe. So, we are now here in Han River. And then, we will ride the cruise. Nasa kami, yung pinakahuling, yung pinakahuli na sakay, parang 9:15. Here lang ako ng Bani kasi kanina yung last na kain ko around 7 a.m. nag-breakfast kami ni Fritz. And then ngayon magda 9:15 na. So super gutom na ako. And then ang tingin namin dito sa city center ng Da Nang, parang mini Korea, no? It's mini Korea. Tapos iba din yung vibe niya kapag nandun ka na sa may beach area. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Parang if you want affordable na country, no? Ang ganda.
So affordable.
Affordable siya. Pero yung price pala dito sa Da Nang na city, parang times 3 or times 2 siya na mas mahal kesa sa Hoi An. Also, they don't give house water. So, bibilin talaga yung mga bottled water dito. Minsan, may 50, may... Magkano yung kanina sa palaruan? Yung totoo.
10? 10
may 10,000 dong, may 20. So, iba-iba sila ng price. Also, kapag foreigner ka dito, kapag alam nilang turista ka, nag-ano din sila, nagtataas din ng presyo. So, you need to haggle. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, What's that?
No hotel.
We're having our dinner near our hotel. Yung restaurant is Kaisong. And then, ano lang, akala ko nung una parang ang mahal. Kasi yung binibigay nilang price is for 1 kilo. Pero if you want it half, papayag naman yan sila. This is their abalone. Grabe. Super siksik niya. The last time na kumain kami nito was in Bohol. Sobrang mahal. Kaya hindi namin siya tinry na ever. Tapos ngayon na lang ulit. And then, ang mura dito. There. We are now here in Bana Hills. And then, paakyat na kami. Riding a cable car. And then, bago sakay. Ang laki ng space, no? Ang daming lalakarin bago makasakay dito. And then, kapag meron kayong mga private car or nag-grab kayo, may drop-off lang. Tapos, after that, sasakay pa ng shuttle na provided ng Bana Hills. Wow, there's a lot of people car. Oh, wow. You happy? Jesus. Careful.
Needing you, always be turning my sky blue, but maybe I can't get to you. So why don't you come to stay? 'Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
This is Bana Hills. 9 a.m. Around 9. No, super dami ng tao. Grabe. For weekday. Grabe.
Pero okay na to kasi masyadong mainit pag
Paghatanghali.
Hindi ako pupuntang tanghali dito.
Saka hindi siya yung ine-expect mo na parang ang laki. Maliit lang siya and makipot. So apparently, sobrang laki pala nito. And then hiwa-hiwalay siya. So if you want to go to the Golden Bridge, from the entrance, mag-cable car ka. And then if you wanna go to French Village, mag-cable car ka ulit. So, ganun siya kalawak and ganun siya kataas.
And open the door, and I've been waiting so long.
Say peace!
Yes, come on, let's go. Numbers.
Lapag yan, nahilo ah. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa French Village and then Eli and Fritz will ride this one.
'Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like ooh, it's all another flower lay.
It's now 11:45 and then we'll have our lunch here in Mercure Hotel sa may Chimac. Kasi, ayun, hindi pa kami nag-breakfast and then magla-lunch time na din. So, ayaw namin sumabay sa lunch time ng iba. And then, I think after kumain dito, konting stroll na lang. And then, punta na kami ng hotel kasi super dami ng tao and competitive masyado yung mga locals dito when it comes to pictures. So, yeah, it's us to experience lang the place. Pero kung sabihin mo, alam mo yun, yung for the picture, you need the whole day. You need the whole day to stay dito. Kung i-experience mo siya and then picture. Pero kung may experience lang. So, yun, mga around 2, uwi na din kami.
Flakes, mama!
Juice for the plane. Juice.
The juice.
Juice. Oh, you kiss the Dusty. What do you want, Dusty or Lightning McQueen? How do you read? I? Heart? Danang. Danang Vietnam. Yeah. Dusty is thirsty. This one.
Okay, the planes will eat. Oh, look. Okay. Then Eli's turn, okay? Okay. Yum, 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 yum.
And then Eli's turn.
Eli's turn. One, two. Okay, Eli's turn. Ah, no. Oh. Yum, yum, yum.
Eli's turn.
Good job.
So this is our food. Mahal talaga dito yung food kasi ito 180,000 dong. Ito is 340,000 dong.
Yeah, 2 spoon please.
Yan, 340,000 dong. And then, ayan lang siya. Yung kamay ko, ganyan lang siya kaliit. And then, ito is 320,000 dong. So, medyo mahal yung food dito compare sa sa Hoi An or sa city center ng Da Nang. There, we'll enjoy our food. So this place talaga is talagang pang picture. Maraming spots na pang picture.
Instagrammable.
Yeah, exactly. Instagrammable.
Medyo matamis siya, but this one is super light.
We claim our free beer here. Sa lahat ng tao dito, may free beer. 2 glasses. Tapos kapag kakain ka sa restaurants, yung iba meron din free beer. So, parang pamigay yung presyo dito sa Vietnam.
Super mura.
Yeah. We are now here in Da Nang Beach, and then right after namin mag-Bana Hills, dumiretso na kami dito, and then hindi na rin kami nagtagal doon kasi mostly naman restaurants and then to explore, ayun nga. Pero pagdating ng 2 PM, grabe na yung pila sa pagbaba ng sa Da Nang. So, parang mas bearable yung 2 PM na pagbaba to Da Nang yung kapag sasakay ng cable car, kasi I think kapag 3 PM or onwards mas sobrang daming tao. Kahit marami silang line and stations, grabe pa din yung dami ng tao talaga. So their beach is yung sand. Maganda yung sand niya. Pino din. Hindi lang white as Boracay, pero pino.
Same with
pino.
Boracay, yung texture.
Yeah, yung texture. Pero hindi lang masyadong white. And then, sobrang daming naliligo. As in. Yan si Eli, nag-enjoy na siya. There. Saya ng vibe dito.
Yeah.
And then may ang tawag na lab. Paragliding. Yan siya.
Paragliding para sa ilog ko.
Hoy, grabe naman yun. Nakaupo ba yun? Or nakatayo lang siya? So dito enable for you to sit sa mga bean bags. And then dyan sa mga seating area, you have to order. Although mura lang naman siya, yung coffee 20, yung juice 30, ganyan. And then pika-pika. It's our last day here in Danang, and then later night is flight na namin. So we're just chilling here in the pool, and then later, pupunta ba tayong beach? After dito? Okay, and then kailangan namin mag-withdraw kasi umorder kami kahapon dun sa beach area, di ba sa may food. Wala na kaming pera. Yun ang hirap dito eh, no? Walang bank transfer, bawal magbayad sa card. So, sabi, tomorrow na lang. So, today yun kami babalik. This is our breakfast. Actually, ito free lang to. Kasi we have a voucher na binigay. And then, pho. And then, well, ano to? Hearty breakfast. So, ayan, we'll enjoy our breakfast. And then later, si Ila, hindi na yan siya makahintay. Gusto niya nang tumalon. Danang Airport, just waiting for our boarding time. And then, kanina after Sondra Marina, ang tagal namin doon, mga 2 hours, kasi bumuhos din yung ulan until maghapon. Siguro tumigil siya mga 7 p.m. na nung pupunta na kami dito sa airport. And then, napansin ko lang na pero mahal talaga yung food dito sa airport kasi naka-US dollars yung rate niya. And even if you will pay sa Vietnamese dong, kung may mga nakatira kayong money, they will convert the price to, kunyari $12. Tapos kung magkano yun sa Vietnamese dong, ganun talaga siya. Medyo mahal. So for banh mi and then passion fruit, kapag sa labas mo to binili, mga ano lang yan siya, mga 50, no? 50 or 35 dong. Dito, $12 siya.
$12?
Oo. Tapos ito, $6. So, lahat, etong lahat, sa 800. Mahal siya. And then, meron ditong play area. So, yung mga kids, ayan si Ilay, nakahanap siya ng kalaro niya. Yan. Hayaan naming mapagod si Ilay para sa flight, tulog na lang siya. Dami niyang kalaro dito.